It is not too strong a word to say that medicine is undergoing a revolution. We're able to take huge arrays of data now and analyze them in ways that we could have never thought of in the past. We're going to be able to give you a unique prescription for what's best for you. We'll be able to predict the diseases that you are at risk for well before you might have any symptom.
I have Alzheimer's, and I have no control over it. It was a tremendous blow to me, as well as to all my loved ones. Research is giving all of us a much longer life.
Whether it's a sequencing of your DNA, of your RNA, whether it's taking blood, and all of this generates incredible amounts of data. How do we boil that down in a way that's going to inform your physician and yourself how you can live your life better? Integrating that using very sophisticated mathematical algorithms that are run on supercomputing type machines to build predictive models. These models predict the state of a patient, their risk of disease, the subtype of disease that they may have, and the best way to treat that disease.
What big data has done is to revolutionize the area of personalized medicine. The standard approach to Alzheimer's disease over the last 30 years has been to find families where the disease is clustered and get DNA from the folks who have the disease and the folks who don't, and then compare that side by side. We've done that for 30 years, and so far we can only explain about 3% of all of Alzheimer's disease. The big data approach promises to help us unravel the other 97%. And here we look at genes at multiple levels. Now we see with this map how this gene and another gene all come together to cause Alzheimer's disease.
If there was no research being done, then the word hope is no longer in this conversation.
What we're doing here is a revolution, particularly in cancer therapy. What we do is we apply genomic technologies and other molecular profiling technologies to just collect as much information about the actual biology of the individual patient tumor that may be the actual keys to treating that tumor.
So for example, we may build a cancer-based model, say for ovarian cancer, where we take a patient's information, their own big data about their tumor, project it onto our predictive models, and that will suggest what are the defects that have occurred in this particular patient that will speak to a given treatment.
To me, the big idea is that we are going to make a significant difference in the quality of everybody's lives. We've invested hundreds of millions of dollars in big computing, in mathematicians, in geneticists, in biochemists, in systems biologists to offer to patients hope where in other places there is none.
I'm confident that eventually we'll conquer Alzheimer's disease.
The bottom line is that I have to live my life, and I have to live it not only because I love life, but I've got a lot of people around me that love me and that I love them.